So you made an offer on a house and you found out later that the seller sold the house, or the sales price shows it sold for less than what your offer was. So what happened in that situation? Well, I'm going to give you four scenarios as to possibly what happened with that particular transaction. Number one is maybe the seller did accept a higher offer, but when the bank appraisal was done on the home appraised for less, and the seller just chose to actually sell the property for less. Number two, it could be that the buyer had an inspection done and there were some repairs needed, and maybe the seller didn't want to do those repairs or get involved with that, so he just chose to reduce the price of the home, and the seller agreed to that, and the buyer then could do their own repairs on the home. Number three, it could be that the seller accepted an all-cash offer and they could close within a week, and that's the reason why he took the lower offer. And the last thing is maybe the seller knows the buyer or the buyer's kids, and he wanted to have those kids or that buyer have that home. So there's a lot of reasons why when your offer doesn't get accepted, and especially if it sells for less, there's a lot of scenarios as to potentially why that happened. Now, if you have any questions, you need help in the Indianapolis area, you need a buyer's agent to help represent you, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.